Welcome to Fireflies AI. We're
AI.
excited to have you on the platform, and I'm gonna take a quick minute to go over how you can get started and how you can get the most out of Fireflies. Once you signed up and logged in, you'll be on this welcome screen right here. Here you'll be able to see your upcoming meetings and which meetings Fireflies will be able to join. You can also toggle on and off. If you don't want Fireflies to join any of these meetings, Fireflies is able to join meetings across Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, and several other major video conferencing platforms. About 5 to 10 minutes after a Fireflies will transcribe, summarize, analyze, and send you the meeting recap. You can also look at the top right here, and these will be your meeting settings. So if I only want Fireflies to join meetings that I'm the owner of, I can click on that option right here. If I wanted to only join when I explicitly invite Fred at Fireflies AI, I would select this option. Fireflies will join as the participant, and I can use it to even have it join specifically internal events or external events. It'll look at my calendar, determine who the participants are, and then based on these settings will join that call. Now for the recaps that are sent, I can have it sent only to me. I can have it sent to everyone that was on the invite. I can have it sent to only participants that were from my company and vice versa. If for whatever reason I did not invite Fireflies to the meeting and I don't have my settings to have it automatically join my meeting, I can use the add to live meeting function here. I would put in the video conferencing URL and then simply hit invite Fireflies AI. And then Fireflies within 1 to 2 minutes will join the meeting as a participant. If you already have a pre-existing audio file or recording, you can drop an MP3, MP4, and MP4 WAV files. So we're supporting both video and audio upload. If for whatever reason you want to use Fireflies but don't want to have the bot join your meetings, we have a Chrome extension specifically for Google Meet where it will capture directly from the browser. So let's actually look at what my calendar. I have an upcoming meeting. As you can see here, I have my meeting. And there's a video conferencing link. Let's go ahead and join the call and let Fireflies into the meeting. As you can see here, Fireflies AI Note Taker is requesting to join the meeting. It's the AI Note Taker bot. Typically, the name will have Fireflies AI Note Taker and then the name of the person joining on behalf of. I'm gonna let it into the meeting. And when I look at the participants list, it's just another person on the call. It's muted. If I don't want Fireflies to continue recording the meeting, I can simply remove it from the call. After the meeting, I should get an email recap. Let's go take a look at that. So let's click in. And what you'll see here is the transcript on the right-hand side, and you will have the ability to click anywhere on the transcript and listen to the conversation as well as search through this transcript. So for example, we were talking about updates in December, so I'm gonna quickly search and I can see that all the parts where December was discussed. It's difficult to say, and then I can click on it. I can listen to exactly the parts that were talked about. Also, we are able to do speaker detection for the major platforms like Google Meet, Teams, and Zoom. So it's gonna separate out the transcript by speaker. In the middle, I have both the video recording of the meeting that actually happened. This is really valuable. If I'm sharing my screen or presenting slides, so the video is captured. I also have an AI generated summary right in the middle right here. When we scroll down, if I want to provide feedback or coaching or leave any comments at specific parts of the call, I simply just go to that part of the call and then leave a comment. So right here, if I want to leave a comment at 19 minutes into the call, I'm gonna leave a comment and that part will be timestamped. There will be a little marker that's placed the timeline and in the comment section here, there will be a timestamp. So when I share this recap with my teammates, they can jump specifically to the parts that I've marked up. I can also react to different parts of the call with emojis like a thumbs up, thumbs down, or I can bookmark that part of the call. One of my favorite features is sound bite. So if there was some valuable information was said on the call, I can highlight it and create a sound bite of that 10, 20, 30-second clip. Then I can copy that link and then share that soundbite with my teammates. They won't have to go through the entire call. So this is a soundbite right here. And this is the 30-second clip that I can share with my teammates. And then they can get a gist of what was said on the call coming back to the notepad. I want to talk about the left-hand panel here. These are the smart search filters, so I can quickly go through that entire transcript and find out what questions were asked on the call. What were the dates and times that were discussed? What important metrics were brought up? I can even filter to potential action items that Fireflies detected on the call. We have a sentiment analysis section here, so I can filter to parts of the call where there was positive sentiment or parts of the call where there was negative sentiment. The speaker section here tells me who spoke on the call and for how long. I get quick analytics on talk time. And I also get how fast they were talking. If for whatever reason I wanted to only look at a particular person's talk track, I can click on that. And the entire transcript will be filtered to that talk track. I can even build my own custom topic trackers. So these are keywords that I want to track on meetings. For example, I've set up keywords for marketing. I can click that and I can see all the parts where we talked about blogs, SEO, and other relevant things that are pertinent to marketing. If I want to create my own topics, I can just go click at new topics, and that way I will be able to go ahead and create topics. So if I were to make marketing as a topic tracker, I can pick words like SEO. I can pick words like outreach, link building, etc. And then those words would be tracked in the meeting. It would also show me how many times those words were brought up. Related to that topic, can also share the recap with particular people by using the share button. And similar to Google Docs, I can configure the privacy options. It's also right so here. I can choose who gets to see the recap, if it should only be me or everyone, or only teammates and participants. We give you a lot of privacy controls over who can transcript. I can also download both the audio, the video, as well as a transcript in multiple formats, so making it easily accessible and shareable. Finally, on the notepad, I want to share one really exciting thing that we're working on. We are coming up with a whole host of new features called AI extensions. They're going to be powered by GPT-3 and the same sort of technology that runs ChatGPT. So one of our favorite extensions we're rolling out is called Ask Fred. And this is extremely powerful because I can simply ask Fred a question about the meeting. It'll analyze the meeting and then come back and converse with me and share answers. So I can ask questions like, how many seats did the customer want to buy? What were some of the blockers last quarter? To wrap this off, I want to go back and share with you where all of your team's meetings are saved. So if I go to the notebook right here, this is where all my team's meetings are saved, along with my meeting. We also have the channels option. So if you want to move meetings to particular channels, you can do that this way. You can organize your entire team, meetings based on departments, based on initiatives, based on orgs, and it helps you get an entire knowledge base of your teams, conversations in one central place. So that's a quick overview of Fireflies. Subscribe to this channel and learn more about AI functionalities.